Welcome to new tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about plane, text and point. For that I am making some sketch. First make corner rectangle, then circle. Okay, so I am first explaining about text. You can access text from command toolbar or go to tools and sketch entities and text, or simply right click sketch entities and text. So if you select sketch command, text command, then one property manager is showing over here. First they are asking for curve or the edge where you want to insert text. So I'm selecting top edge of corner rectangle, and whatever I'm going to write, it appears over here. So I write SolidWorks. You can see the text on that edge. You can simply modify your text by selecting those text in text box, and you can make it bold, or you can apply it italic or whatever font size, everything from here. You can make it left align, middle align or right align. If you want this text over the curve, simply press this button. If you want this text under the curve, simply press this button. You can also update your text font and spacing between the two alphabets from here. For that you have to uncheck this option and applying whatever the text font you want to and spacing between the text. Okay, simply I am pressing yes for now. I am going to explain another command, that is point. So point is a very simple command. You have to just simply give the points in your sketch. It's very useful command if you want to draw some kite curve for your swift boss or lofted boss, then you need a point to locate that kite curve. Sometimes on circle or on arc it's very difficult to locate the points, so you have to insert the points on that arc or circle. Let's say I am right now inserting the point on this circle. Let's say I insert the point, one point over here, one point over here, one point here, and one point here. Simply place yes, exit the command, and if I'm going to exit the sketch, still you can see the points. So those points are very important to locate kite curves. Simply go into the sketch, edit sketch, normal to plane. Delete this one. Now I'm going to explain about another option, that is plane. So you can insert plane two ways. You can insert it from here, or simply go to reference geometry and you can insert the plane. So for now I'm exit the sketch, giving extruded walls option to sketch and extrude my geometry. Let's see, 5 centimeter. Okay. Now if I want to create a plane, then I can create a plane on the top of this circle or this circular entity. I can give the distance, I can also give the angle, or anything I can change it from property manager. Okay, if I want a tangent plane, then I can simply select this face, select another plane for reference. So I'm selecting here right plane and say yes. So I can create tangent plane on that circular face. I can also insert axis. For that I have to select circular geometry, and you can see axis is created. I can also use this axis for my reference. All over the command over here, like plane, axis, coordinate points, those all are used for your reference. They are not used for creating geometry. They are used for only helping. They are only helping to create a geometry. So in coordinate system, I can insert a new coordinate system. I will explain how to use this new coordinate system in future tutorial. For now, I'm just simply show you how to create new coordinate system. So if I want coordinate on this edge, this point, I simply place it, or I can change direction. If I want x-axis on this direction, I can simply change by double click on that axis as well. I can change it. I can flip the side of all the axes. I can also create my z axis. I can flip the side. So I have created new coordinate system. You can see over here. So thank you guys. That's it for this tutorial. I will explain this new coordinate system in future tutorial, and I will also explain how to use plane for creating different geometry and how to use this axis reference for geometry in future tutorial. See you in next tutorial. Thank you guys.